Hey everybody, today I'm going to show you how to win your bets every single time. I know it sounds too good to be true, but it isn't. It's called arbitrage betting, and basically you're betting the winner and the loser at the same time and profiting from it. So I have my bet size at 50 bucks here. So here's one example. You're taking the Columbus Blue Jackets plus 1.5 at minus 140 on Bet365 for 50 bucks. You're taking the Carolina Hurricanes minus 1.5 at plus 165, 168 on FanDuel, and you're spending 32 bucks. I actually just made this bet, so I'm going to have $82 invested here, okay? And I'm going to make 371 on my 50 bucks or 376 on my 32 bucks. So basically the payout is going to be 50 plus 32 plus either 371 or 376. That's how you figure this, because you have to, you got $82 involved here. You're going to make 4.35%. Now, this is unusual to get these bets. Usually it's around 2%. And you're going to say, 2% is not that big a deal. Okay, look, you're making 2% today at 7 p.m. So the game starts at 7. It's over by 9:30-ish. And you're going to make $3.71 or $3.76. Most of you got a savings account. You're making 5% per year. I'm going to make almost 5% tonight on my $82. And I just actually placed this bet. So I'm going to show you, you can track this, and I'm going to put it in the bet tracker here. I did just go 50 bucks and 32. Like, you could do multiples. If I wanted to bet 100 here, it'd be 64. You could do the math. You could put the different bet size in here and it'll figure for you if you don't want to do math. But I'm going to click save, and that bet's saved. And now you'll see that it's gone. That bet's gone. Now it's actually, the odds have changed right here. So 2.26% it's down to. And this tells me, this little bang says, you've already placed bets on the same game. So I could take this again and put more money up and make 2% on the new bet. And I've done that before. So let me show you how this odds checker works. And look at this. I started on April 5th and green every day. So you can win these bets. Don't say you can't win every time. You're betting the winner, you're betting the loser. You absolutely can. And check the link right down in the description. I'm going to get you a free trial here. And don't tell them I told you this, but if you go to cancel in 7 days, you can get another 7 days or 14 days free. All right. So what happens here is I can click on today, and it's going to show me I have no live bet. So when the game starts, everything that's upcoming will switch to live. I've already won a couple bets today. These were early in the morning. It's a tennis match, ATP. I won on that, which shows, that I made $5. But here's my upcoming bets. This is the one I just placed, 4.35%. Okay, so I bet 32 here, bet 50 here, $82 in, and I'm gonna either make 370 or 3 whatever it was. But shows you at 7 p.m. and a couple other bets I made. You can track them all right here. And all right, here's the math. April 5th to today, $258. And this is based on I started with a $550 bankroll, and I've made $258 on it in, that's a lot of bets a day. And I'm only spending about 30 to 60 minutes a day. So if you have 30 to 60 minutes, even less, let's say you just get one of these bets, you could turn your 82 bucks into 85, 87, do that once a day. Okay, $3 a day. Where else are you going to make that kind of money? So again, I'm getting you a free trial. Check that out. Click that link, get your free trial. Here's one other thing I want to show you is, if you don't have all the sports books in your state, get as many as you can. I'm going to base this on an MGM. Let's say you get a new account, you get $50 worth of free bets. So it's going to tell you MGM bonus bet, $50 free. You can't cash this out, right? Because they're giving you a free bet. So we're going to take the Senators and the Bruins, NHL, player goals, Shane Pinto, over 0.5 at plus 333 on MGM, or Shane Pinto under 0.5 minus 130. So you're going to have to bet $130 here, $50 here. And you're going to turn your $50 that you can't cash out into either $36 that you can or $39 that you can. That's a 73% profit because this isn't your money, it's theirs, and you're using their money to turn it into your money. Like, that's a heck of a profit. So you, again, links to all the sports books right down here in the description. Click them. You'll get some promos. You'll get some free bets. Turn your free bets into real cash. And if you do that, actually the first week or two, you'll make a lot of money because you're using their money, turn it into your money. So this is the easiest, best way to make money. I'm telling you, again, come back here, check out my green. All right. Been doing this for a week and a half and I've made $258 just being diligent. Easy money, folks. Easy money, folks. You got a savings account. Again, you're going to make 5% per year. You know, I made 4% or 5%, whatever that was, close to 5% on the one bet. So good luck betting. Get out there and make some money. Let's take some money back from these sports books. I hate losing. This is a way we can win every time. So click that thumbs up, like this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I'll post more videos, but good luck sports betting. Take them down. Take them down. All right, I'm out.